Check this out. Remember the old Ford plow truck? She was coming apart pretty badly rusted. So I got a U-Haul cab from some lad I found. Check it out. Put that on. Simon and I put that on, and I spent the last few days sort of buckling everything up. The old doors wouldn't close. Check this out. Woohoo! The wife's gonna like that for the plowing. Hey, come on over here. Kind of good. We changed a few things up. I noticed in the winter that latch never really works very well, so we put a bungee on. Bungee on here. Bang. Goes up. One of those. Got our LED lights working. These are kind of loose, so I just taped them in with the tape. Now, I even made it so it works. It was a 91. It's a 91, this truck. And then I put a 98 cab on it, so everything's a little different. All I gotta do is hook the plow up and get her going. Look at that. That is no easy feat. I gotta send it out to local guys here, get them to deal with the brakes. I'm not getting under there, it's too dirty. I'm done with that truck. Once that's done, I'm gonna put a plow on my F350, my newer one. I thought I'd show you that. Check it out. This is the donor over here. It's got a 7.5 liter gas engine in it. I don't know what's 460 cubic inches or whatever. That's the donor. I got a good motor with it as well. You know what? Oh no. Ah, the brake line's no good. I was hoping I could get a brake line off that. Anyway, you know anybody looking for a 7.5 Ford engine? I got one right there for you. That's the Ford truck. Okay, you're gonna let it warm it up. Go and park it. It's an old U-Haul. Thanks for watching. Winter's almost here, boys.